All right, let's get it, fellas. Oh man, let's see what we do today, fellas. Let's see what we do today, fellas. Today is Friday, so I'm not gonna see way too much, guys. So let's see what happens. Um, Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. Let's see what we do today, fellas. Let's see what we do today. Looks like we might be able to Mayo victorious. What's going on? Anesthesius. Let's get it. Sawman, let's get it. All right, guys. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait for 5 more minutes and then start on my analysis. Start reading this data, guys. I'm gonna start reading my analysis in about 5 minutes. I just want to wait. I want to wait for everybody to come in first and see what's going on. Thanks for following 3D. I mean, not 3D. D3. Uh, Moonlight. What up, Pettis? Sup? Sup, brother? Hey, man. Thanks for the follow, brother. D3. Thanks for the follow, man. Jess, welcome, welcome, Jess. I'm gonna wait for a little bit longer, a little bit. Let's wait another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the boy plunder. Welcome, welcome, brother. Yeah, let's wait 3 more minutes, and then I'm gonna start with my analysis. What's good morning, man? Well, good morning. Welcome, Misael FX. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, or let's say good day because morning is when you mourn. Um, let's say good day. All right, guys. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute and then I'm gonna start my analysis today. And let's see what's going on in the markets. Um, like I said, guys, before, I'm not a news analyst or anything like that. Spy thoughts for the day. All right, let's start with Spy. Give me 1 sec. All right, before I even start, I want to say that I'm not a news analyst or anything like that. I'm a technical analyst, so I do not trade by news. I do not look at news. I just trade by what's going on in the markets and I adapt. So, let's start with the weekly. Okay, let's start with the daily actually. All right, we're coming up to an important area and it's around where are we at on the we're at 560.04 today. This is an important area, guys. Um, Now, depending on whether we break out of that 564.39, I'm thinking we could possibly have a really good run up. I would keep my eye out on that 4 minute. Um, it just depends. Keep your eye out on that 4 minute and keep an eye out on that 10 minute. Now, if that 10 minute goes below zero on the MACDs, we will be going down, possibly down to fill gap, maybe 552.99, guys, or all the way down to 549.48. So keep an eye out on a possible downside. But it just depends. It really just depends on what happens. Like we got to get sellers to come in, guys. It's really about we got to react to what's going on. Hey, welcome, Mitz. I seen you yesterday, brother. Thanks for coming back, man. Elias, thanks. I don't want to say that. I don't want to miss VJ, VJ. Sorry, brother. But thanks for coming in, Nick, Jose, uh, Buck and Bass, Kevin. Stay fitted. Hey, man. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. So for SPY, I'm looking for the downside. Um, for a possible downside, guys. For SPY. Sandra, welcome. And let's move on to QQQ, fellas. Let's move on. What's going on? What's going on? All right, so for QQQ, same thing. Let's look at the 4 hour. We are still on an uptrend. Um, we are in a crucial area right now, so let's see what happens, guys. If let's look at the 1 minute or the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour here. Sorry, guys. I like using my phone because I have my settings on there. All right, so we got this 1 hour right here, guys. Um, I want to see it come back down to this. If we come back down to this 50, you're welcome. You're welcome, Sandra. Thanks for coming in. Okay, guys, if we come back down to this 50 here, we could possibly get a bounce off of this 21, but if we don't get a bounce off of this 21 to the upside and come back down, I want to see a bounce off of this 50 coming back up just a little bit. Really? Already? The battery's low already? What? I just charged this thing yesterday, guys. All right, guys, so that's crazy. All right, let me turn down my light, guys. This is weird. All right, guys, if we see this coming back down, breaking through this 21, I want to see it come back down to this 50 here. If we do not hold this 50, guys, then I want to see it come back down to this to 950, guys. 950 or 855.25, guys. And we also would want to see we want to see it come down on the 10 minute. If you're looking at the 10 minute, it is below the zero, the MACD levels. So um, let's see if it comes back up to this 50 or this 7 and holds and still come back down. So if it does that, guys, I'm still going to stay in. I'm going to stay in shorts, just the same as SPY, guys. I'm going to be into shorts today. I'm looking for shorts. So let's see what happens. Welcome, John. All right, Johan. Welcome, guys. Crisco, Esteban. I think I called Kevin. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what happens, guys. I want to see shorts today. So let's see what we can do with shorts. I'm at 9%, guys. If this dies, guys, I'm sorry. I really thought I did charge this, but I guess not. But anyways, guys, looking for shorts today. Welcome back, Luigi. Lee, I hope I'm saying that right. Sorry, brother, but welcome back. I seen you yesterday. Oh, he left. It's all right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. All right, guys. It's almost we got a couple of more minutes until the market opens. I will be out of here by 10:55 because I like getting into the markets and getting out and not going back in. Now, guys, I do have a Discord. It's free. I made it a couple of weeks ago and whatnot, like, and I just never done anything with it. I'm trying to learn as I go with this stuff. I will have my website sometime soon, and the Discord would just be just for a community-based thing. So if y'all want to join the Discord, it's that just I think you just look it up by Manime Traits, and it's the same picture as my TikTok. So if y'all want to join my Discord, it's right there. Um, I want to be able to if I'm not on if I'm not on here trading after I mean if I'm not here since I don't get on here after 11, I want to be able to call out shots after 11 when I'm off or I'm out doing stuff. So y'all can join my Discord at Manime Trades. And and see how it goes, fellas. I'm not. It's Discord. The Discord is just going to be temporary for now when it's free. Right now, everything is free, guys. So, but yes, guys, I'm looking for shorts, fellas. I'm looking for shorts today. Thanks for the follow, Crank. Oh yeah, thanks for sharing the live, Sandra. My mother, Scott Potter, welcome. Key Clayton, welcome. All right, guys, we got about 2 minutes before market opens. We'll see what happens. If this runs up a little bit and it hits that 7 on here, it hits the 7 right here, and we hold this below 0. I mean, below, if we hold this below the 7, then I am going for shorts, guys. Spy dropping. I said that earlier. I'm going into shorts with Spy and Qs, but I will be working with Qs today, guys. I do QQQ, so that's the only thing I'll be doing today. Now, I do want to see on the 10 minute, I do want to see it below that 50. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it can stay below that 50, guys. On a 10 minute, looks good. 10 minute looking good, guys. Let's see what that 5 minute has to say, because we might be reversing, guys. You gotta be able to I'm just gonna go scalp, guys. I'm gonna scalp for the first 10 minutes. I'm gonna scalp. QT, thanks for the follow, brother. Let's see what happens, fellas. Market should open. It is 9:30, but there's a delay. So we might be reversing. We might be able to go to the upside though. So I'm going to be shorts for now, but until I see any kind of reversal or we go above this 50 today, if we go above this 50, I'm going longs, guys. If we go above 50, I'm going longs. Crypto, what up? We go above this 50, fellas, I'm going long. Watch that 2 minute, watch the 10 minute, watch the 30, the 1 hour and the 4. But I watch all of them, guys. I watch all of them. I watch all of them, fellas. Like I said, I am bearish today. Um, so let's see what happens, guys. If it crosses over this 50 on the 10 minute, I will be going longs, guys. If it crosses over the 50 on the 10 minute, I will be going longs. So let's just wait and see what happens, fellas. Let's see if my buddy is in here today. Let's see if he's coming in today. No, I don't think he's in here today. All right, that's cool. Let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. Let's see what happens, fellas. All right, guys. Looks like we might be able to get those shorts to come in. It looks like it. So I'm gonna go ahead once it comes about back up to the 7 here. I'm gonna go ahead and get into some shorts. Um, I want to get it to as high as I can so I can set a stop loss up here. But let's just see what happens, guys. I want to pay attention to that 10. I'm looking at that 10. We do have a spread to the downside, guys. And I'm going to watch that 2 minute. I'm going to watch the 2 minute real quick, or the 1 minute. So let's go to the 2 minute right quick. All right, let's see if it holds this 50 on the 2 minute. If it holds this 50 on the 2, then and it comes right back down, guys, then I'm shorting this, guys. So let's see what happens, baby. Let's get it. I'm watching that 2 minute, guys. Let's see what happens, fellas. I'm looking for shorts today. Looking for shorts and possible reversal to the long side again, just like yesterday. I did catch I did catch going longs. I got off in a position. I was in the green, so um, let's see what we do, fellas. If it can't hold that 50, if it can't hold the 50 on the 10-minute, guys, and we go up, I will be looking for long positions. You got to switch biased here. I'm just gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to go back to the 7. I'm gonna wait till it goes back to the 7. Also, too, if the 7 crosses over the 21, same thing, guys. Same thing. Looks like we already bottomed out on the sarcastic, so I might switch it over to long positions, guys. There we go. All right, guys. I'm about to get in here in a few. Let's see what happens. Keep an eye out on that 10, guys. Keep an eye out on that 10. We want it to cross over this level here. This is what I see right now. Here's a zone, guys. We have this zone here. We have this zone here, guys. I want it to come back in the zone. Let's get it back to the zone and see what happens. If it comes up, I want to see it hold this area here and then get in, guys. I'm not getting in just yet. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. It didn't hold it. So I want to see it close above this 50, guys. I want to see it close above the 50 in order to go longs. I want to close above the 50 in order to go longs. Thanks for the follow. User 9973008157397. It's still cool. That's it. Gonna retest 1941, and then it's gonna go back up for long. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for longs now. Just depending on that 10. If it closes on this 50, I'm going longs, guys. Listen to what is it? Caleb 831. Why do you? I want to know why you picking long position. Let's see if you can tell the viewers in chat what you're seeing. I want this to be a community-based thing. Let's help each other out. What do you see that's telling you to go longs, brother? It's a good thing to do. Let's try to teach these people. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. We're in this zone right now. I'm just gonna wait. I want to wait for a retest back here. Let's wait for a retest back here somewhere. Teach you? It's a long process. You have to come here. You got to be in class Monday through Friday, brother. You got to be in class Monday through Friday. But I do start off with saying, if you're a beginner, it says, Caleb says it stopped at 1940s. Then it went back up, retested the 50. Then it came back and touched the 45 again. It's going up. Yep. All right, guys. Let's look for long positions, guys. Let's look for long positions. Yeah, I want to be able to get in, come back, retest this zone here, or stay right here above this level here, and then we'll go retest to the upside, guys. I mean, we'll go to the upside, fellas. But this is a crucial area too as well. So um, I want to be able to be safe. I want to be safe, guys. I want to be safe. But this thing could drop on down too. So let's try it, guys. Let's try it. We'll go. I'll get in a minute. I want to be safe. I want to pull back. I want to pull back to the 7, guys. I want a nice pull back to the 7. I'll enter one here, and I'll enter one on the 7 on the, what is it? On the 1 minute. 7 on the 1 minute, guys. Or, yeah, 7 on the 1 minute, guys. I was way above. I shouldn't have entered there, but you need to enter at the lower end, guys. There's a 7. 7 on the 1. I entered way too early, guys. So, that's all right. That's all right. We're going up. I'm going to hold this position, fellas. I'm going to hold this position. Yeah, I'm holding this position, brother. If y'all are in, y'all better hold this. I'm holding, guys. I'm holding. I'm not gonna back out. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold for a bit. But yeah, Caleb, there has to be more, man. There has to be more as to why you went long, brother. I mean, yes, we did retested those zones that you say, but I would like to see if, if there's any what indicators do you use that tells you, do you use indicators? Do you use trend lines? Do you use I already know you use support and resistance right there, but do you use EMAs, MACD, stochastics, any kind of bands, whatever? What do you use, brother? I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm holding it. I'm gonna hold it. I'm looking at this 10. We are about to touch a crucial area, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I'm gonna get out just in case. Give me 1 second. I want to see what happens if it does touch that. Never mind. I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. Just wait. I don't want it to come back down. I want this 7 to be up here, guys. I want this 7 EMA to be up here, guys. I'm gonna hold this position. If it doesn't move the way I want it to right now, then I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna get out, guys. I'm gonna get out. It's not moving the way I want it to. It's slow. So I'm just gonna get out and I'll be back in. Welcome in, Valerie. I'm gonna get in. I want it to come back to the 7, guys. I want a better entry. I want a better entry. I don't want if even if this thing moves up, I know, don't get out. I know, but I'm careful. I'm careful, brother. I'm not gonna sit here and just wait for it. If it does drop massively, then I'm not. I'd rather just wait for a retest. I want to see the 7. I want to retest the 7. I want to retest the 7 or this 21, brother. Retest the 7 or retest this 21 because anything can happen. Anything can happen. This is why I get out because of this crap right here. This is why I get out. That's the reason why I get out. That's the reason why I get out, man, because of this stuff right here. And we have a long way to go. If we come back here, man, it's just bad. You don't want to do that, man. You don't want to do that to yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of 1, and I'm gonna hold this position, fellas. Got out of 1. I'm gonna hold this position, guys. If I see anything, if this drops like crazy, I will be getting out, fellas. I'm watching that 2 minute, guys. I'm watching that 2 minute carefully. So the 7, we did have a crossover down here from the 7 and 21, and this 50 is right here. If it crosses that 50, we know if the 3MA crosses the 50, we know it'll go up. Oh, you use a 3MA. You see, everybody everybody uses different kind of things, guys. So you have to know what's your edge. Know what's your edge. I use the 7, the 21, and the 50, guys. That's what I use. The 7, the 21, and the 50. So let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna keep my eye out on that on this 1 hour. I'm gonna keep my eye out on that 4 hour as well, because we can come back down to 461, guys. And if it does do that, I'm gonna catch that bottom. We're holding. Yeah, I'm using the 7, the 21 here. I'm using this here, the 7. I'm using the 21, the green, and I'm using the 50 EMAs, moving averages. All right. Let's see what we do, fellas. Let's just wait. I'm gonna wait for this stuff, guys, to keep on riding back, and then look for a uh a s- a support level, and then get into some more possibly. I usually like going in with one contract, so yeah. Yep. I'm just gonna wait, fellas. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. And I'm gonna look for a little support area, so we can look for a support area back in this zone again and see if we retest this zone. I like where I get my foot in the door. Welcome back, Ramo. Um, where I would say if you have no if you don't have no cash right now or anything to invest in, just paper trade for right now, guys. Paper trade. What up, brother? What up, man? Thanks for coming back, man. Much love, man. Um, if y'all are starting out and there's no funds for y'all to do it or do anything, I will say this as a beginner, you will lose money. You will give money to the stock gods, and they will be glad to take your money. Um, but all right, guys, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm not gonna play those games right now. So I'm just gonna wait till it hits bottom, guys. Um, so yeah, I'd say start out if you're gonna do something and you don't care about spending like 40 bucks, 50 to $100, start out with prop firms. Uh, I would recommend Top Step. I'm hearing good things about Top Step, and I'm not hearing too good things about Apex, guys. So I would start off with Top Step, and then you can come join my live and whatnot, and the only thing I can do is I can't teach you. I can teach you how I trade and what my analysis is, but I cannot teach you how to trade. You have to experience trading yourself. Even a professional cannot teach you. You have to experience it. You have to learn when to get in, when to get out. You have to learn support resistance. You have to look for trend lines, patterns. You have to look for, um, glitches in the system. What are these firms doing? What are the programs doing? I have it goes deeper than that that my mentor actually showed me. But I can't really talk about that because that's just something that has to deal with compliance. I got the funds, just trying to learn more and do more, expand my line. Okay, so Soto, um, yeah, brother. So get into a prop firm. I would say if you're a beginner, do not trade with your funds. Do not, because you're going to be giving those funds to the market, to the stock gods. So don't give it to them. Just watch hours and hours of YouTube or anything you can get your hands off, books, whatever, and just learn like that, bro. It's and you have to experience it. So be in the markets every day. Be in the markets and stay there as long as you can. Use indicators, learn about indicators, go on Wikipedia and learn it. Um, like I said to everyone, most traders they have the settings of 12, 26, and 9. I don't use 12, 26, and 9, but it's a good way to start. I've changed my settings over the time because I've seen that it's flawed in a way, and everybody uses it. So I don't want to use what everybody uses, so I changed mine. So yeah, guys, that's the way to go. Hey, welcome him, welcome TikToker. All right, guys. So Let's see what happens. We are above that 50, but I'm not going to risk anything right now. I am currently up. Let's see. I'm up 44 bucks today. Let's see what happens, fellas. We are going to keep going up, guys, but I'm just so I don't want to lose anything, guys. I'm not going to sit here and try to lose anything. If it does come back to this 50 right here, I will be getting in into some long positions, fellas. I will be getting in for more long positions. I'm just going to wait for a little bottom. That's it. I'm just going to wait for a little bottom, fellas. Thanks for the follow, Soto. Shane, thanks for coming in. I'm going to wait, guys. I'm going to wait. If it comes down here to this 50 and it breaks this here, who knows? Who knows what's going to happen, guys? But I want to see it come back to this, at least to this 21 and hold. And if it breaks this here, then I'm gonna tap in with you, bro. You should definitely network. I appreciate it. Yeah, brother. That's what I do, man. This stuff is for free right now, guys. Like this stuff is for free. Soon, sometime, I'm gonna have a website, and it's just gonna be $30, guys. I'm just gonna charge $30, and that's it. It's not actually. I think it's 10.99, guys. It's gonna be 10.99 just to watch my live. I think. Yeah. It's cheap, guys. I'm gonna do it cheap, so that way everybody gets a chance, man. I'm not gonna charge you $70. That's crazy. Look at the times right now, man. We're in hard times. It's like the economy is bad. All right, guys. If it hits that 21, I'm getting back in, or I'm gonna go ahead and scalp. I can go ahead and scalp, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and scalp. I want to hit this 21 real quick. I'm gonna hit this 21 real quick. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's look at that 1 minute. We are backing that back down. We are going back down. Let's see what happens. Let's look at the 10 minute. Okay, so we got back on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get in, guys. I'm gonna see what happens. Come on, pull up. Let's get it. All right, if we go back up in the green, I'm getting out as fast as I can because it looks like we might be able to go. Yep, see it? Look at that, guys. I'm gonna add another one to that 21. I'm gonna add another one to that 21, the green. So if I do get in the green, I'm getting out. So I'm just gonna wait for a little bit, see if it can hold it. See if it can hold it, guys. I'm gonna get out of one. There we go. Yes, I'm a full-time. Well, I can be a full-time trader, but no, I do my work from 9:15 until 10:55. I'm sorry guys, but I just can't be on the I mean, I can be on the computer and I should do in the beginnings um of me starting this, guys, I should do it from 9:15 till, 4 o'clock till market closes. But you're burning yourself out if you're doing that, guys. Just get in the markets, make a little bit of cha-ching, and then get out, guys. That's all you got to do. Get in, get off, and get out. That's it, fellas. That's it, guys. But that's why, if y'all want to, y'all can join the Discord. I recently just made it. I don't really get on it, but after hours, if I do see something, I will call it out. This is brand new to me, guys. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be like, I'm not going to say I want to be just like the other gurus out there, but I know my stuff, fellas. I know how to read technicals fairly well. And even my mentor says I trade like somebody from Goldman Sachs. So, and he works at a firm. So I'm not going to sit here and, and give y'all bad information, guys, but I will not disclose any information about him just for, so that way he doesn't get into trouble. But yeah, fellas. I'm already up 85 bucks. I'm gonna hold this for a bit. I'm not. Let's look at the 5. I'm still looking for long positions, guys, but if it does come back down, if it comes back down to that 50, I'm hopping in again on longs, guys. I want to see it break through this zone here. I want to see it break through this zone, guys. Money play. Welcome Santos. Barack. User 91411616. All right, guys. It's why is somebody calling me? It's it's MNQ, fellas. I'm trading MNQs right now. I'm trading futures, guys. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see what happens. I can either hold this or I could either sell it, guys. Um, let's look at that 1 minute. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm gonna hold this. If I see the 1 minute go below and the MACD levels go below zero, then I'm definitely selling. If I don't and it keeps going in the same direction as it is right now, the MACD goes up, then I will be staying in this. So just keep an eye out on that 1 minute, fellas. Why is somebody calling me from Iowa? See what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna stay in here for a little bit, guys. I'm not gonna be in here for long. If it keeps holding here, I'm not gonna stay in here for long, guys. We do have another zone. If you can find it, let me know. Just give me the numbers. I'm gonna go ahead and sell, guys. I'm not gonna play this game. I do trade S&P 500, but I'm not going to I don't really, man. It's the same thing for the Qs. It's just that the Qs move more than the SPY does. But I mean, if you know how to trade SPY, man, you could and you can actually know where it's going to stop, man. You can make pretty good money. You can make pretty good money on S&P. All right, guys. So the reason why I stopped is because we did not make no kind of big movements here. The reason why I got out was because it wasn't making big movements, guys. So that's the reason why I got out. We had this massive little drop here, and that's the thing that I don't want to see. I don't want to see that. That's why I get out. You want to be safe. I don't care if it runs up from here. I don't care. I want to be safe. I want to be in the green. I'm up 60 bucks right now, guys. I'm looking for today, if I can, I want to make 300 at least, but I'm not going to risk it. I'll offer a $300 profit. I'm not going to stay here and hold and hold and hope and hope, right? But let's see what happens, fellas. It goes down to that 50. Let's see what happens if it hits that 50. If it comes back, if it keeps coming down, I'm gonna scalp it up, guys. If it goes down, scalp it up. If it goes down, scalp it up, guys. I'm not at my desk today, so I probably won't be at my desk until next week. So, I don't really like using this laptop, guys. But yeah, give me 1 second. Let's see what we do. Let's see if my buddy is on today again. I haven't seen him for a couple of days. Hector, what's going on, brother? I see you. Man, Hector's been here for a while, guys. He's been here ever since I pretty much started. Um, he's going through I think he is using Twitch as the source to watch my videos because I do it through Twitch. I do my videos through X. I do my videos through Trovo. I do my videos through YouTube. I don't have no followers on YouTube, so if you can follow me on YouTube, that would be cool, guys. I just need followers, and I need followers on Facebook, guys. If you can look up Man of Many Trades on Facebook, I need at least, I think either 100 followers so I can go live there. That would be a great thing for y'all to do, guys. Um, I just need followers on Facebook so I can do it on there. We buying or selling? Zoinks, zoinks. To be honest with you, brother. I'm looking at the charts right now, and I can say that we're above that 50, so I'm a buyer right now. I'm a buyer right now. If we're above that 50, I'm a buyer. For now. But I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. We are coming back down. I want to see what happens with that 10 minute. Let's see what happens with it. Sorry, sorry I can't show y'all a lot of stuff on here. It's because I'm on the laptop. I'm not on the desktop, guys. But we're back in this zone here. I want to see this. I want to see this come back to the 7 again so I can get in, go to long positions, guys. Um, and see what happens. But we are above this 50 on this 10 minutes, so I do want to see this I do want to see this keep going up, fellas. Let's see if we can touch that 50. If we can touch this 50 and go back up, then that's cool beans, fellas. That's cool. But if not, if the MACD on the 1 minute goes below the zero, then I'm gonna go short, guys. If the MACD on the 1 minute goes below zero, I'm gonna go short. And I can't really show y'all this here because my laptop screen, I can't make it to fit on the screen, guys, for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why. All right, guys, we're about to hit that 50. I think I might jump in. I might jump in. I don't know. We're in this zone right now, so this could be actually the top of the zone, and we just don't know it. You know, I want to be careful here. This is very crucial. I don't like it when it's between zones. We have this zone here. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. I'm out. I'm out, guys. Wow. I'm out, guys. That's no. That's why I don't like playing this. I'm down 44 bucks, guys. You see that? This is why you don't do that, guys. You don't chase. That's horrible, guys. That's horrible what I just did. All right, guys. So with that being said, and what this is going what I'm seeing right now is with this big push, I want to see the next 2 minutes. I want to see what's going on. I want to see if we're going to drop. I'm thinking we're going to drop, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go short, guys. We might not, but I want to see what happens. If it breaks this level here, then I'm out and I'll be done for today. I might be done for today, guys. I might be done. I might be done for today, guys. I am down just I am down currently, well, 80 bucks from where it's at right now. So let's see what happens. We might cover this area first, guys. I don't know. You don't want to stay in this, guys. You don't want to be in this right now. I wouldn't recommend being in this, guys. We have too much of we're pretty much 50-50 of the way, guys. Like, we're in this zone here. Like, it's not making sense right now. So let's see what happens. See if I can make some money back, guys. All right, so it looks like we are going back up, guys. So I'm gonna see what happens here. Looks like we are going back up though. I want it to come down just a little bit, guys. I want it to come down just a little bit and then see if I can go back up. Looks like we are though. I don't like moves like that, guys. I don't like moves like that. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, see what happens. I am down only $68, guys. This is why I go into small contracts, fellas. I'm not gonna get into no big contracts, guys. Especially when there's moves like this. Hell no. Yeah, it looks like we might be able to go up, guys. So I want to wait. I'm gonna wait for a bit, see what happens. Yep. I'm down 116, guys. I'm down 116 right now. So let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long, guys. We are still in a long side though, so that's good. Yeah, guys, when things happen like that, I don't like to mess with the markets, but I mean, it's 50-50, guys. You're gonna just, I mean, it's really a risk, guys. You know, it's really a risk. With moves like this, you know that they're watching right now. You know that they're watching. So they're watching right now. So yeah, come on. I'm watching that 5 minute, guys. I'm watching this 5 minute here. This is the 1 minute right now, so let's look at the five. I'm gonna hold this five, guys. I'm gonna hold this five. I want to see if I can make my money back. There we go. There we go, guys. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. There we go. I'm gonna go for longs still, guys. I'm gonna go for longs. Watching that five. I'm watching that five, guys. Let's watch this 10 too. That's crazy, guys. These are crazy moves, fellas. Let's look at this five again. I'm going for longs, guys. I'm gonna go for longs. It really just depends on what happens here. Come on, it's not moving the way I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I don't care if it rides up right now or not. I want to be safe. I'm negative 90 bucks, guys. Negative 90. I want to try to get this back. But we are going to the upside, guys. I didn't mean to go into two contracts, guys. I didn't mean to. Go ahead and got out. I'm at negative 60 bucks, guys. If it pushes up, that's a good thing. If not, we can come back down. I want to see it come back down to the seven. I want it to hold this area here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm at negative 68 bucks. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback. If we can get another pullback right here, I'm going in longs. Something is brewing up, guys. I don't like it. Something is brewing up. Business taxes filings are due. SM's 5 to 10K. Okay. Something is brewing, guys. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback, guys. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback and then I'm getting in. So if it does come back down here, guys, I'm getting into 5 contracts down here on this downside, guys. I will be getting into 5 more contracts. So I'm not always right, guys. I'm not a guru, okay? So I'm not always right, but I can read this stuff. It's 10:09, fellas. I'm gonna be on till 10:55. So yeah, let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what we do, guys. I'm looking for long position. I will be getting back in over here. 5 contracts to the downside. I mean, I will be adding 5 more to this long position, guys. I'll be adding 5 more to this long position, fellas. So let's see what happens, guys. If anybody has any questions, just put it down in the chat and I'll see what I can do. I will be entering 5 more. Like for me, what I'm scared, I don't want to see, and what I'm looking at, that what scares me is this wick right here. This wick right here is what scares me, guys. I'll be entering 5 more on the bottom side, guys. Let's see what happens, fellas. That's only 20 bucks. All right, I'm gonna see. Okay. I'm gonna enter 5 more contracts, guys, here in a minute. I'm waiting on this 7 here, possibly on this 10, possibly on this 10. I'll wait here for this 10, guys. I'll wait. I'll wait it out. See what happens, fellas. Let's give this a chance. Oh, oh man. Let's give this a chance, fellas. Man, my head is hurting, guys. Let's give this a chance, fellas. Let's give this a chance. Let's give it a chance to the upside, guys. Let's give it a chance. Get that nice opening on that 10 minute, though. Jesus, man, my head is hurting. Sorry about that, guys. I know it's horrible, man. Sorry about that, fellas. All right, let's see what we do, guys. Let's see what we do, fellas. I'm sorry about that. It's a mess right now, so let's see what we do, fellas. Let's see what we do. It's 10:17, guys. I'm gonna be getting off at 10:55, fellas. All right, let's see what happens, guys. What up, why you care? What's up? What's up? We're not always right, fellas, but let's see what we do. Oh, I gotta check my X, guys. Not my like. I gotta check X. Let's say that. Let's check on X. See what's going on. I only got 2 followers on X, guys. I only got 2 followers, or actually, yeah, I only got 2 followers on X, guys. That's crazy. I will be getting into long positions here if it does come down to that 7, guys. Just depending on what's going on. If we do break below 473.70, then I'm getting out and I'm going to look for shorts. So let's see what we do, guys. See what happens, fellas. All right, I think I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out, fellas. I didn't mean to do that. All right, I'm at negative 66, guys. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the next opportunity. Right now, it's just it's way too risky right now. We're at a crucial area right now, so and if the 1 minute crosses below that 0, then I will be getting into shorts, guys. So I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I'm gonna wait. till it comes back down here in this zone, and then I'll get into long positions, guys. If it does go back down to that zone. Thanks for the follow. Xavier, I see you. Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm negative 66 for today. That is not bad at all. That is not bad. That's not bad at all, fellas. I'm gonna look for longs, guys. I'm gonna look for longs. Just depending on what happened on this 1 minute, guys. I can go ahead and get in. Nothing's really moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm negative $58. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. It's moving so slow today. I'm just gonna wait. I wanted to come back down to the 7, fellas. I wanted to come back down to the 7. At least to here, guys. Sorry about that, mids. It's internet. I kind of lost internet connection, brother. Um, I'm not at my desk, so it's probably going to be like that until I get back home. So I'm still looking for long positions, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I'm kind of scared about this wick right here. I really am. This is what scares me right now. Is this wick right here? I mean, it's not scary, but I know that it's here. I can see it, and that's what's it's something's telling me that we're possibly going to come back down here. I don't know, but something's telling me like to be careful. It's got to happen on that 1 minute, guys. On that reversal, it's going to happen somewhere. I'm going to try to catch the top. If there is a reversal, I'm going to try to catch the top and work our way down here. If there is one. If we can get below, if we can get below, um, if we can break structure at 474.39 on the Qs, then I'm gonna go short, guys. Thanks for liking my video, Keek. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, brother. I don't want to say your name wrong. Thanks for the like on the video. I know I don't have a lot on TikTok, guys. I'm working on it. I have about 70 something videos that I need to work on. Uh, it's just a lot, guys. It's a lot of work. And I have only done that one video. I'm not good with editing, guys. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm not making no movements yet. It's not really moving, guys. It's not. So, hey, I'm only down 58 bucks. That is good. That is good stuff, guys. I'm not stressing right now. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. Let's come back down. Let's scalp this thing. Let's come back down and work our way up. Did I put two? Jesus. Let's go ahead and sell. I'm negative 48, guys. Negative 39. I'm going to break even today, guys. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break even, and that's fine. I'll just trade after I get off a little bit, and then I have to I got to work on a card today, so See what happens, fellas. See what happens, guys. I'm gonna stick to these longs for a bit. I'll be entering more down here at this 7. See what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens. Let's give this a chance, guys. We might be going down here. This is what I'm talking about here, guys. This is what I'm talking about down here. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. This is the shit that I'm talking about, fellas. So I'm gonna wait. I want to see what happens, guys. See if we can get a little pullback here. Come on. I'm gonna add 5 more down here, guys. I want to add 5 more. That's the exact thing. That's exactly what I'm talking about, guys. That's exactly I told you to watch out for that. It looks like we're about to come down drastically, guys, so that's not what I'm wanting. Yeah, we're about to come down like crazy, fellas. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm just gonna wait. We are back down at this level. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm going to buy at the bottom, guys. I'm gonna buy at the bottom. I know I'm down significantly, but that's okay. If it breaks this structure here, then I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out for today, fellas. That's it for me today, guys. I'm not, um, I pretty much lost all. That was it, guys. I lost a good chunk right there, 1,164. That is fine. Um, let's see if I can actually make some of this back. Look at this, fellas. Like, we're not always right, guys. We're not always right. We do make mistakes. But I know what I saw. I know I saw this earlier. I know I saw this, and that's what I was scared of. So let's see. Let's see what we do, fellas. Did I really go five in again? All right. Got out. All right. Yeah, I noticed that, and I told you when I was scared about this wick. This is the same wick that I was scared of. This is exactly what I was talking about earlier. And yeah, I knew something was brewing up. I just we're not always right, man. But that's okay, guys. I'm gonna try to go back to where I was. I'm gonna wait, guys. We are below this 50 here. Um, but we're still on the upside, guys. So I'm gonna wait till it gets down back down here, guys, again, and then I'll hop in on long positions. I'm gonna wait for that 10 minute though. If you're looking at the 20 minute, guys, it's or at the 15, we're right here at this 50, guys. We're right here at this 50, which is telling me right now that it seems like we're still gonna be going up, guys. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm out, guys. I'm out. If it comes back down here again, I'm going to long positions, guys. I'm watching that one. I'm watching this 1 minute, guys. I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it, guys. I'm gonna catch this. Yeah, yeah, I want to catch that long, going to the upside. But I want to wait. I want to wait till the MACDs on the 1 minute actually cross over and goes above that zero. So I want to see a little bit more of a drop. Let's see if it happens. If it don't, that's cool. Oh, I did not mean to put 10, guys. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. All right, I'm gonna have to get out here in a minute. That's horrible. I did not mean to get into 10. Man, I did not mean to get into 10. I'm gonna wait till it turns green and I'm gonna get out of oh 5. This is horrible, guys. You don't double click on things. This computer is so whack, guys. What the fuck, man? I can't even touch, like, I touch the screen so lightly, and it does the same stuff. Like, it wants to push in it twice. Like, oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'm just going to stay in this one, uh, see what's going on. We are in this zone right now. I want to see it break out of this zone and head on up, but we might get little consolidations here or there. I don't know. I'm not a guru, guys. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I do wanna. I know. That's, you know what? It's better to have a desktop with a mouse. I mean, I forgot to bring my mouse with me, and I'm using this laptop that I have, and and it's really bothersome. It's really bothersome, like it is. It happens. And we do things as traders, we click on the wrong, we reverse it, we close it when we don't mean to, and it's y'all have to pay attention to that, guys. Like, it's crazy, fellas. Like, jeez. All right, guys, we're not getting any really big movements. I'm pretty sure there is going to be one coming, but um, I don't see anything just yet. I might get out and yeah, I might get out, fellas, and re-enter, reposition myself, guys, because this is not a good, it's not a good entry, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get out. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, reposition myself, guys. It might bounce up. I don't care, but I don't want to lose any more than what I already did. So, Gonzalo, bro, what are you doing in a position in a range? I know, man. I know. I mean, as traders, we got to discipline ourselves, man. When we're wrong, we're wrong. And I already lost. I got to be safe, man. So I have to get out. Like I'm not going to sit in a position and then, and hope. Like, even if we are in a range, anything can happen. Like, if you seen this move from here to here, like, nobody saw that. Nobody saw that move. Like, why would I want to wait for something like this to happen again? I'm still scared. Look at this wick here. I'm still scared of this wick right here. Even if we do stay in this range, this thing can come back slamming down. Like, it's better to be safe than sorry, guys. I don't care if this thing jumps up. There's opportunities today, there's opportunities tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Monday. We have all year to make money, guys. We have all year to lose money, to make money. Trade how you trade, guys. This is how I trade. I'm gonna be safe. And I didn't make the right decision earlier when it came down here because that was just me. I'm gonna wait for a pullback, guys, and then see if I can enter. I can enter right now, but it's just risky right now. Tim, Sadie, okay. I want to wait, fellas, to hit that seven on that one, and then I'll enter a. Yeah, I don't really ent when I enter, I don't go in full port, guys. I don't. I only enter with one position, so I really can't do that with MNQs, guys. You can't really go half of that. So I'm gonna enter at this seven here. Once this seven crosses this 21, goes above this 50, then I'll enter again. Yeah. What time frame are you looking at, brother? We are at the so if you're looking at the stochastics on the 30-minute, we are kind of at its bottom. So I think you're right. I think we are going to keep going up. Caleb, I'm gonna wait for a little pullback and then I'll enter, guys. The 5-minute. Gotcha. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback to the seven right here, and then I'll get in. This is the 5-minute on my side. So I can go ahead and enter right now. I didn't mean to go into five. Jesus, what am I doing? Let me take off the quantity, guys. This is horrible. I'm at 1,034 right now, negative 1,034. And once it hit that seven, once it hits the seven on the 3-minute, then I'm getting in, guys. Let's go to the 3-minute, guys. Once it hits the seven, I'll enter again. Or, hell, I mean, hell, we can enter right now. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, fellas. There we go. We need to break this. We need to break 19 520. We need to break 520, guys. We need to break 520. We need to break 520, guys. Yep. We'll see if it breaks, guys. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks, I'm holding. I'm holding this position for a bit. I'm waiting to see what happens, guys. I'm just gonna wait. Damn, my head is hurting, man. Jeez. All right, guys. See what we do, guys. Let's see what we do. Welcome, Marcos, Audrey. Let's see who else. That's it. I still don't like this wick here, guys. I still don't like this here. I don't like it at all. So I'm gonna mark that. Um, Alonzo, what's going on, brother? Um, I don't like this area, guys. I'm not liking it. If MACD's on the 1-minute crosses down below Um, let's see. Crosses below the zero. I'm shorting. How come it's showing it like that? Yeah, that what price stopped several times. Yeah. Yeah, it's a go to the upside. Yeah, I feel you on that one. I'm looking at all these time frames and let's see. We already topped off on that one. If you're looking on the stochastics on the 1 minute guys, that's kind of like it's kind of like, I'm kind of like raising my eyebrow at that. The 1 hour, the 2 hour, and the 1 hour. That kind of got me that got me concerned, you know? It really does. It has me concerned. So 10:47, guys. I'll be getting off at 10:55 if y'all want to, and y'all want to talk about futures and whatnot later on. The Discord is Man of Many Trades. I think that's how it is. I've never used it before, but I've created one. If y'all want to join that, that'd be cool. If I see anything later on, I will be posting it. This is just new stuff to me, guys. Discord is new to me. I don't know. I'm not liking that 1 hour, the 2 hour, and the 4 hour, guys. I'm not liking it. Oh, I see what we're doing. I see what we're doing, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this, fellas. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this for a while. But I will be getting off at 10:55, guys. I have to go run some errands. But if y'all want to, y'all can join that live or y'all can join that Discord at Man of Many Trades. Or it would be nice if y'all followed me on Facebook. That way I can go live on Facebook. Um, it's just the same thing, Man of Many Trades, guys. Just follow me on Facebook, man. That it'll be a really, really big help. It'll be a really good help, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold in. Caleb, man, you got good stuff, brother, man. You got good stuff, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. You did? Nice, man. Nice. Hey, I think like I said last time, dude, I passed all the Apex account things and they denied my payout, man. But I don't know. I don't know what's going on with them. They've been denying people's payouts, man. So I don't know. What do you have? What firm are you trading with? What prop are you trading? Is it Top Step, Apex, My Funded Trader? Which ones are the other ones? One Up, I think. I think that's what it's called. I don't remember. All right, guys, I got 5 minutes, fellas. I have 5 minutes. Funding pips. I'm not been on the funding pips. Oh, you're not on the futures. Oh, okay. Is it Forex? Yeah, it's Forex. I got you. I never traded that, so. All right, guys. It's 10:51. I will be staying in this trade for a bit. I'm not getting out of this because if you're watching the 10 minute, we still have that spread open, guys, on the MACD levels. Thanks for the follow, uh, Wendy's or uh, Wendy's. I'm just gonna say Wendy's, but that's funny. I like it. Uh, I gotcha. All right, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to stay in this. I'm going to stay in this for a little bit until I see any kind of reversal on the 1 minute or on the 2 minute. But I'm going to stay in this, guys, and I'm going to probably hop in some more contracts here. But I'm not liking this area, guys. I'm not liking it. I really don't. I really think we can come back down to here again. I really do, guys. I'm just going to keep this one here, guys, just in case. All right, guys, I got 2 more minutes and I'll be heading off. I'm gonna stay in this for a bit. Let's look at the that's the thing, guys. I forget to look at my 1 hour on the futures. I look at the stuff on Webull QQQs and I forget to yeah, so we are hitting that 21 on the 1 hour, on the 60 minute 1 hour. And if we do come back down, guys, it'll be down to here, down to 219, guys, 219. And this is why I don't like these wicks, guys. I'm seeing these wicks, man, and I'm looking at the 1 hour, the 2 and the 4 hour and the stochastics, the way it's looking, man, I'm raising my eyebrows, man. Like it's not looking right. Let's go to the 15, guys. Yeah, I'm not liking these wicks, fellas. All right, fellas, I got 1 more minute. Um, so what I'm thinking is, I'll probably be back home Monday, so I'll be at my desk and everything. You can see everything on what I'm doing. So, yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and start ending the stream, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. As of right now, I'm going to stay in the long positions for a bit, and then I would watch out for those wicks to the downside, guys. Really, I would watch out those wicks to the downside. I really think that if they are going to do anything, if it does passes on if the Qs go below, if the Qs go below 470, 345, then short it, guys. Short that position because that's what I'm seeing in all nothing but a drop all the way down. But all right, fellas, thanks for tuning in. I hope y'all, if y'all want to, follow that Discord at Many Many Trades, or you can follow me at on Facebook at Many Many Trades. It would be great.